students. Good morning once again to everyone. After a little bit long time we are meeting again. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's continue our study. As our PT is over, we are going to continue our study. So what topic we was doing? So we have to continue our regular study. What topic we was doing? We was doing the same topic, chapter 2, factors and multiples. This topic, chapter 2, factors and multiples. For a minute, I want to recap which topics we have covered and which we will start. What I said, which topics we have covered and which topic we will start now. So look at here, we have completed factors and multiples definition, types of numbers. After these two topics, we have completed exercise 2.1. Then we have started divisibility rules. After divisibility rules, prime factorization, and the prime factorization after we have started HCF, highest common factor, and the another name is GCD, greatest common divisor. What is the another name of it? GCD, greatest common divisor. So look at here, factors. Factors are said to be a number which divides, what I said, which divides the given number exactly, and the multiples is also said to be a number which is exactly divisible by the given number. In the types of number we have done odd, even, prime, composite, twin prime, perfect, etc. After that exercise 2.1, based on these two topics, then divisibility rules by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. After that prime factorization. In prime factorization we was using two methods. One was the factor tree, like if I say to you 12, 6 2s are, and again 2 3s are. So what are the prime factors of 12? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. And the another process was, division process was like that. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. You are observing here, the same answer is coming. Prime factorization was over. After learning the prime factorization, we went to the HCF, highest common factor. So my dear all students, let's continue with the HCF. Some questions we have done, but the continue the HCF with the more questions. HCF, okay, highest common factor. Highest common factor, or the another name of it, GCD, greatest common divisor. I hope the all topics has been clear in your mind as you have given your PT also. So today we are going to start exercise 2.3. Which exercise? 2.4, or I can say 2D. Which exercise? 2D. So first we have to mention here 2D, and the question number 1. Heading is, find the HCF of the numbers in each of the following using the prime factorization method. Which method? I am going to tell you, prime factorization method, like 84 and 98. I know this process we have done, but we have to recap for a minute. Then we will continue, and only on this topic we have left our last previous video. So continue. So we have to search the HCF of 84 and 98 by using the prime factorization method. As we aware about the prime factorization, so look at here, do the prime factor of 84 and 98. Do it by 2, as we are perfect in divisibility rules. 2 4s are, 2 2s are, then 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 3 7s are, and 7 1s are. Over the prime factor of 84. Now again 2. 2 4s are 8, 1 left. 1 will go with 8, and 8 will change into 18. 2 9s are. Then 7 7s are, 7 1s are. List of the prime factors of 84 and 98. List of all. I am listing 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 into 7 into 7. Prime factors is over. Now after that, common factors. Common factor, what is the common factor here? Just look it here very carefully and tell me what are the common factors here. So we are observing this 7 is common here and this 2 is also common. Any other thing is common? 98 having this 7 but 84 don't have. 84 having 2 and 3 but 98 don't have. So what is the common factor? 2 multiplied by 7. So my dear students, HCF will be 2 multiplied by 7 which is 14. So the HCF of 84 and 98 is 14. What is the answer? 14 is the HCF of this given number. As I told you, HCF, highest common factor or greatest common divisor, that is divides the given number exactly. So you can observe, you can check your answer is correct or wrong. 14 is exactly divides the 84 and 98 by leaving remainder 0. Or I can say 84 or 98 is exactly divisible by the 14. Okay, HCF always divides the given number exactly by leaving remainder 0. The same process, the same question I am going to tell you by the next process. Next process is using the division method. ठीक है, using the division method. Remember the answer is 14. So look at here, same question, same number, same digit. I am going to do the next process. What is that process? Division process. Or this division process we can say long division method also. Okay. So in this division process, we make the format of the division. Which number I should write as a divisor? Smaller number 84 and 98 as a dividend. 84 1s are 84, 84 2s are 178, which is more than 98. So we have to take 1 जा only. 84 2 जा तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा ना. Estimated अगर हम देखें तो 82 जा 160. Then we have to add the 4 also, तो 168. Is that clear? So no need to 168, only the 1 जा. 8 minus 4, 4. And 9 minus 8, 1. 14. Or in this process, we never leave the remainder. So what we do this remainder? Remainder will change into new divisor. अब divisor तो आ गया हमारे पास में. Dividend कहाँ से लेकर के आए? तो जो पुराना divisor है, who is the पुराना divisor here? Who is the old divisor here? 84. 84 will change into new dividend. Do you know 84 comes in the table of 14 how many times? How many times? 14 1 ja 14, 14 7 ja 84, 14 7 ja 84. Is there any remainder? No. So by which number? Look at here. When we use the table of 14, 84 is the multiple of 14 and how many times it is coming? You will use your table of 14 and you will find 6 times 84 is coming in the table of 14. Is that clear? तो अब ये बताइए किसकी वजह से रिमाइंडर 0 है? Who is the reason? What is the reason due to the remainder is coming 0? 14. My dear student, that is only the answer. HCF is equal to 14. Now you can match this HCF is also 14 by using this division process, and by the prime factorization process also the division is HCF is 14. So look in your book now, page number 36, exercise 2D. First heading, find the HCF of number in each of the following using the prime factorization method. So we can do question 1 to 9 by using the prime factorization method. After that, find the HCF of the number in each of the following using the division process. Division process is this one. There is a 2 numbers and 3 numbers also. So my dear students, question number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Till the 14 you will do. From 15 we will discuss in the next video. Why? Because in the 15 there are the 3 numbers like that. Question number 15, 658, 940, 1128. आप सब जानते हो 3 नंबर हो जाने से कुछ नहीं होता है, ठीक है? वी हैव टू क्लियर आवर कंसेप्ट. 2 के साथ जो प्रोसेस होगा उसके आंसर को हम 3rd नंबर से ऑपरेट कर देंगे, नो प्रॉब्लम. So don't worry, we will discuss after 15 in the next video. Till the continuously and regular practice of HCF by using both the process. Which process? First prime factorization and second division process. Okay, till thank you and have a very good day.